Los hombres de Harrison.
My baby, I'm sorry. When we were last face to face, there was some tension up in the place. Girl, I didn't mean to flip. Try to hold it down and get a grip. Temperature is rising.
As I left
the scene, I said something I didn't mean. I had something to release instead of pulling out pieces. I got on my thoughts once or twice. Some things I said, baby, just weren't nice. Whenever I call you now, it seems like you're not home. Are you with somebody else or are you alone? Why don't you call me like I wish you would, like I think you should? That's why I'm sitting here listening. My cell phone's not ringing. I really want you to call me, but it's calling me like I wish you would. Your cell phone keeps ringing. What's wrong with your phone line? I'm here to see if you're feeling fine. My cell phone's not ringing. Now you got me wondering.
Orti que pinta,
Ahí al lado.
My baby, I promise when we head face to face, I'll pay attention to your style and your grace. I know as I left the scene, I said something I didn't mean. I had some beef to release instead of pulling out peace. Now I'm singing the song to this melody, hoping my phone sings this ring, 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 ring. My cell phone's not ringing. I really want you to call me what it's calling me like ring, ring, ring. Your cell phone keeps ringing. What's wrong with your phone line? I'm here to see you go.
No, 400, no, 216, no. Hola.
The article down by the reaching for my one to one with the bunch of one with the Ericsson. Said the way the two with the battery and with the phone charger. Sit on my way for the Mercury to receive a call from a girlie who told me I don't hear from she. No, she's watching the caller ID. I know she vexed, I know she's angry. Or because I left that scene. Or because I said things that I didn't mean. Why can't she pick out the phone and call me? I know what I said wasn't very nice. But baby, I'm sorry. If you could just forgive me. She's watching.
She's
watching to see who is calling. She won't leave me. Tell me where you and I'm sitting here waiting for her like a fool. Someone should tell her. She should walk that's my back. For my phone to start singing and ring, ring. My cell phone's not ringing. I really want you to call me when it's calling like I wish you would. Ring,
Get it.
what's wrong with your phone line? I'm here to see your feelings.